How to fix Instagram chat theme option not showing. So if you want to fix it, it's very easy. First thing you want to do is open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps manager on your phone, and then you have to go into the apps again right here on this page. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so you have to scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on this four stop, and then click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then go back, click on the data usage, and make sure to enable all those options. Go back. Now you have to do one last thing, which is you have to open the Play Store and search for Instagram and update it. If you found an update option right here, click on it. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.